If you want to take photos with the highest resolution possible on the Samsung Galaxy A57, then first of all we're gonna open the camera app. Now over here in the photo mode, we can do two things in order to increase the resolution. The first one is we have to tap on these four dots on the right side, and we can find the megapixel selection. So we have 12 megapixels by default. We can tap over here to increase to 50 megapixels. And also right next to it, here on the left side, we have the aspect ratio, which also has a small, but it has an impact on the resolution. And the best resolution to use to get the highest resolution possible is 3:4. Of course, you can switch to 9:16, 1:1, or you can use the full aspect ratio. But these options will decrease the resolution of your photos, although the difference between them is not as big as switching between 12 and 50 megapixels. Leave a like and subscribe.